channel. Today I have my sister here, Mercedes, and she's going to be doing an improv look for a Egyptian goddess, Cleopatra kind of thing.
Halloween
Cleopatra. Kind of scary, kind of sexy. All right, let's get started.
Alright, so first I got a little amateur drawing right here. So we do the gold first and then we'll do black over it.
All right, let's do it. Okay. Want my eyes open or closed?
Closed, definitely closed.
Okay. Sorry, I feel like my eyes twitch a lot.
They do.
Yeah. I'm trying to hold my breath.
Don't do that, that'll make them twitch more. I'm gonna do this first, and then I'm gonna go over it again with a lighter gold to really make it pop.
Okay, breathe.
Breathe and just relax. That just sounded creepy in my head after I said
relax.
that.
What are you doing to me?
Hypnotization.
Oh my god.
Alright, now I'm gonna go underneath. So you can open your eyes.
Cup.
I'm gonna leave a gap so we can do the black underneath it too.
I'm trying not to breathe.
You just
try not to move.
Wait,
Oh my
I'm
god.
glad it turned out nice though. I'm glad you didn't ruin that.
Okay.
Just breathe. It's fine.
This is always a problem for me. When I've been like eyelash extensions done, but then suddenly like really twitching, I can't help it.
Nice.
I like it. Cool.
Check something.
Remember when you used to be such a badass? You used to go into work with makeup like this?
I know.
Oh my god, you're so brave. Can't believe you did that.
I don't know if I was brave. I just loved it. And no one else did it, so it was fun. Definitely made you stand out.
Yeah. I can't imagine.
Going to work like this.
Yeah.
Hey, the boss said, because no one complains, I can do it. I was like, heck yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do my eyeshadow now.
Okay. You know the name of it?
It's Covergirl something.
Okay. Sorry, I'm so twitchy.
Okay, open your eyes, let's see.
Nice. That's actually better.
Glamour though, then it does scary, but you wanted beauty with the horror,
Yeah.
so.
Sexy.
Sexy plus
Horrific. Oh yeah, that's a nice color. That's the Covergirl. Okay, we'll be back after the next eye. We're back. I just wanted to start filming because we're doing it a little bit different on this side.
This part, we're gonna leave more space like that, and I'm gonna go in with it with a red eyeliner. And then this part, we went up instead of down.
Yeah.
This part is gonna be down because I don't like doing the same thing. One, it's harder to do the same thing on either side. Two, it gets kind of boring.
So it's like an asymmetrical kind of look.
And we'll do a thicker black line underneath, so really make it.
We're really just doing this with anything we found in our bathrooms.
Exactly.
I know.
This is-
We like didn't buy anything for this.
It's Halloween on a budget. Zero budget. We didn't spend anything. And this is a lip liner. So.
Oh, okay. You're completely blocking the camera. They can't see a thing.
Sorry.
Okay.
I'm not
turn
worried about them.
Yeah.
I'm worried about your face.
This is like a total fail for a tutorial. No one's gonna be able to follow it.
Wait, I think I'm leaning that way too. Instead
Okay,
of coming
how
over
should I
there.
go? Like this? Is that alright? Oh boy.
Let me see what this design. Alright, tell me what you think of that.
Nice. I like it.
Yeah, it's kind of subtle still.
Mm-hmm.
And I haven't even done the black yet. Alright,
Whatever you want.
freestyle.
Improv. Just because it's on my cheeks. I had to see what that looked like.
You want to do it for your viewers? makeup show that I was watching.
Mm-hmm.
Where on the challenges they go in with a magnifying glass on the contestants.
Oh wow.
On their work, and I was like, that's a little ridiculous.
They wanted like the details to be perfect.
Perfect.
That's cool, kind of. I don't know.
I find that a little dumb. No one's going up to your face though, with a magnifying.
Well, maybe in a competition they are.
Just in the competition.
I imagine it's because there's so many good artists that they have to like really be critical of every little thing in order to choose somebody.
Let me see from this angle. Because you got the wow factor with the red.
Mm-hmm.
Do we want it more competing?
I don't know, go for it, whatever you think.
I'm gonna compete because it's Halloween.
Staring at it.
It looks even scarier, honestly, because you have
The wig
hairnet.
cap on it.
Yeah, the wig cap on. Thinking.
Magnifying glass. Yeah, I think we'll go over it again once we put the falsies on.
Yeah, I'm not worried about that yet. Because I gotta go on the top and stuff.
Right here.
OCD won't wait.
I must remove it.
They have one on the top, like right here.
Whoa.
I don't know if you want to do that.
This is dramatic.
Well,
It's up to you. This is your art.
breath again. And then I'm gonna go in. It's kind of like surgical work. Take a breath and then I'm gonna go in.
I'm gonna go in.
I'm going in. Alright. That killed me laughing at it. Okay, shoot. Alright, whatever. Stop
Oh,
opening
I'm sorry,
your
I'm
eye.
sorry. I wanted to see it.
Oh.
Oh no, I ruined it. Oh my
Should be
god.
heading back. I think this is such a drawing eyeshadow that it made it. It's not
Hard
smooth.
to apply, yeah.
It's not coming on smooth.
I can see it. You know what? I can go over it with that gel Tony Moly eyeliner.
Oh,
'Cause that one spreads
there you
really
go.
well.
It'll spread more smooth.
Yeah, I'll go over it.
Where's that thing? Your corrector.
Let's do these.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't do anything above your brow because it's on the cover up. I just need to fill in and do some cleaning up around the eye makeup and stuff now and make it look more smooth. Well, this was fun. Bye.
Hi, I'm back. I just went in and cleaned up the lines a little bit with a gel eyeliner by Tony Moly. And I used a flat brush and I got some foundation and just kind of like brightened up some lines so that it really pops. Now I'm going to go in, put a streak through my lip with the black, and then I will be right back. eyelashes. I'll be right back. Ah! This is the finished look. So I really wish I had like thicker falsies eyelashes because I cannot see them at all. At least maybe it's the lighting, I don't know, you cannot see them. So guys, I just went over all the lines with a flat brush like so. I went over with some foundation in between the gaps where the eyeliner doesn't meet to make it kind of pop more. And then I used a liquid eyeliner to go over the lines that I wanted to frame this kind of cut between the lip. I used L'Oreal Paris Carbon Black Telescopic liquid eyeliner to draw the line between my lips. The Liquid Art Revlon PhotoReady Eye Art liquid eyeshadow. It was very hard to go over. Kudos to my sister for doing this amazing look over this because this was very hard. I went in with a flat brush like this and went ahead and used this again and made it more pointed. That worked really good. And then I went ahead and put it on my lips. And if you want to know where I got the wig, it was $15. I got on Amazon. I will link everything in the description box. It was so cheap and it's pretty good quality. Darn. And I mean, dude, it's not bad. It comes in like a gazillion colors too. And this little thing I got on Amazon too. I will link everything that I actually bought for this. A big thank you to my sister. I know she had to rush out of here because she has a new baby, so thank you so much for coming, girl. I really like the look. It's fun. It's really dramatic. I did do my eyebrows, but you can barely see them in contrast with the eyeliner. I probably should go over them with the gel eyeliner to make it really stand out. So thank you for watching my Halloween costume on a budget. I love you guys.